Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm simply gonna go ahead and teach you how you can get Snapchat on your PC or your Mac computers. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And finally, with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, in order for you to go ahead and get Snapchat on your PC or your Mac, you'll have to get an application that lets you run mobile apps on your PC. So all you have to do is simply go ahead and open any browser you want. Finally, once you have done that, simply search for bluestacks.com like I'm doing right here. Once you have done that, you're gonna be on this page right over here, as you can see. So finally, once you are on this page, all you want to do is click on download Bluestacks right over here. And finally, once you have done that, you want to simply go ahead and download the APK file, as you can see. Once it is downloaded, go ahead and open the file and then go ahead and install your Bluestacks application. Simply click on install now and it's gonna go ahead and download and install for you right here. So finally, once your application is done installing, it's gonna go ahead and launch for you. So now, as you can see, your Bluestack has been launched. All you want to do is simply go ahead and open Play Store right here. Now go ahead and sign in. Finally, once you have signed in, you're gonna be on this page right over here, and now here you want to simply go ahead and search for Snapchat. Finally, once you have searched for Snapchat, simply click on install. Once you have done that, it's gonna go ahead and start downloading and installing onto your Bluestacks. Finally, once you have installed your Snapchat, you can simply go ahead and click on open. So finally, once you go ahead and click on open, here you go, here's the page you're going to be on. Simply click on login and go ahead and log in into your Snapchat account. And finally, once you have logged in, you can simply click on turn allow. So finally, once you have logged in, as you can see, you can simply go ahead and use your Snapchat on your PC. So if this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below any other queries you might have. And if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.